Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2013 Toyota Sienna equipped with the BraunAbility power Infloor ramp. To operate the ramp, you'll use your key fob to hit the sliding door button here. This is going to open the door, deploy out the ramp, and it will also lower the vehicle. Go ahead and check out the setup. So this is going to be the infloor ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 30 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 54 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And this van here only has 69,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You'll use your key fob once again to hit the same sliding door button like this. This is going to bring in the ramp, close the door, and raise the van back up. Go ahead and check out the rear hatch. This one's going to have the automatic lift gate. It will also have a backup camera. Back here you will have room for some storage. On the bottom here you got the spare tire, and as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 69,000 miles. You'll also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.